Hey realtors, are you finding that your social media posts are kind of getting ignored? You know, everybody's posting their listings with just listed or new on the market. It doesn't stand out. You're not grabbing attention. You're not standing out in the feed. In this video, I'm going to share 3 hooks that will help you stand out, get attention, and promote those properties with a little more excitement. Stay with me as we get into that right now. Hey, if you're new here on the channel, my name is Lowell Brown. I help realtors with their digital marketing, everything from promoting on social media, Facebook ads, and more. In this video, we're talking about how to create better hooks on your social media posts. Now, everybody's been doing that just listed post, and I see it over and over again. It's a new listing. They're posting that they've just got it because they want to create excitement. They want to build buzz. They want to tell people that there's a new listing so that they can maybe get a buyer. But there's a problem with that because everyone's doing it over and over again. And especially if you're doing that on your own feed, post after post after post, it doesn't stand out. You're not doing anything to capture attention, to make this one listing stand out from the last one you had. So let's talk about 3 different hooks that you can use to change things up on your posts, make them stand out, and help you sell and promote them better. Because that's what we want. We want attention, and we want engagement, and we want you to get more activity on your listings. So here we go. Let's start with hook number 1. This one is all about creating curiosity. Start your post caption with, "This is why this house will sell in 7 days." You see, creates curiosity. People want to know why. What is it about this house that is, in your opinion, making it a showstopper? Now, here's your follow-up, okay? Because it's not just about that one line. That first line in your post is what's going to grab people's attention, especially on a platform like Instagram, because that first line is what people see first. So now you want to continue with it. You want to go into explaining something about the house, talk about the features, talk about something that's unique to that property listing. And that's going to, again, help create that curiosity and explain why this house is standing out compared to others on the market. Hook number 2 is about telling a story and being relatable. Try this one. "My clients almost passed on this house. Here's what changed their mind." You see, that's a compelling question leading into a story that you can tell. Something where people are going to want to read more. What was it about the house? By telling a story, you're capturing attention. You're getting someone to want to read more, to learn more, to find out what is it about that listing. Hook number 3 is about benefits, benefit-driven post or content for your audience. So try something like this. If you're looking for a ravine lot with a big backyard, lots of privacy, and a big pool, you got to see this listing. Or try something like this. If you've dreamed of that chef's kitchen with a big island, lots of space, lots of light, nice white cabinetry, you got to see this. Things like that, where you're speaking directly to the benefits of the property and exactly the features that someone might want who's interested in a house like this. These hooks work because they create curiosity, they tell a story, and they speak to specific benefits of the house or specific features. They're going to stand out more than a just listed or new on the market. It's better than just spewing out the features that you've listed on your MLS listing. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, that kind of thing. Tell a story. Do something to create interest. Make it stand out and be unique in the feed, and you're going to get more attention. So here's your challenge. Now, I want you to save this video so you can come back to it and watch it again. But the reason is because for your next listing, I want you to try one of these hooks. Actually, I want you to try all 3. Now, you might be thinking, wait, I don't need to put 3 hooks into one post. Well, we're not talking about that, because one of the biggest things that I see a lot of realtors do, and what I've been telling a lot of my clients to do, is you don't just post that listing once and move on to the next one. You've got to keep posting about your listing. Create more than one post. So I've actually created a guide. I want you to check it out. This is a free gift for you. I've created this, what I call the 15-minute listing kit, and it's a system. It's a system you can follow, a step-by-step process to help you take your property listing and create 7 different posts out of it, or 7 different pieces of content that you can share. Why am I doing this? Well, it's because I want to help you sell your properties faster. And the biggest struggle that I hear from realtors is that they struggle to create content. They sit there. It takes time. It's frustrating. It's overwhelming to come up with something unique and different. And that's the whole point of this video. I'm sharing 3 hooks with you so that you can stand out in the crowd to get attention and to get some engagement on your posts. So this listing kit, find the link in the description below, is free for you. I'm going to walk you through 7 ways that you can repurpose this listing into different pieces of content. We're going to use some AI platforms, all free, and I've got prompts set up specifically set for you so that you're going to get a great result. All you have to do is fill in a couple blanks and post it, and you'll get great content that you can use over and over again. And then repeat this system for every new listing. That's all you got to do. So find the link in the description below, try it out, and remember to use the 3 hooks that I shared in this video for your next listing. Let me know in the comments how it does for you. And for more great content, stay tuned. I got more videos coming up right after this. Check them out now, and I'll see you in that next video.